Yes, study in Harvard, get his PhD there, goes to Germany to study, studies with famous people, and then will start his career. Let me go back here for a second. So in 1896, he's going to be hired by the University of Pennsylvania to pursue a sociological study of black life in Philadelphia. This will be published in 1899 as the Philadelphia Negro, which is a classic text. And then in 1903, he'll publish Souls of Black Folk. And then you can read over his history and all the sort of signature moments of American history. Like I said, he lives a good long life. So he, he lives to 1963, so he's some 90 years old. And you can see at the end of his life, he leaves the United States to live in Ghana, Africa, uh, and he dies there on the eve of the Civil Rights March in Washington, 1963. Okay, and let me just show you the explanatory notes. Let me go there real quick. Um, yeah. Okay. So explanatory notes. So these are key, right? Explaining again, particularly the epigraphs, the poetic epigraphs and musical epigraphs, where they come from and what he's quoting there. They'll also give you some, background on the history and some of the people that he's mentioning. So make sure you use the footnotes. So we begin with the forethought. Okay, so highlighted, try to be judicious with the highlighting and sort of hit the key moments of his rhetorical moves that he makes, right? So, um, he writes in this somewhat, elliptical way, I guess, at the beginning. So herein lie buried many things, the strange meaning of being black, the problem of the color line in the 20th century, right? And then what he's trying to do. So he mentions here that he's trying to work with the two worlds within and without the veil, which is a metaphor that he uses along with double consciousness. And then um, he says here, before each chapter is now printed, stands a bar of the sorrow songs of Negro spirituals with their melody.